Come home, I want you in my arms again.
Oh well, yeah, morning. It's a good start to the day. Freezing cold, sun's out. Bit different today. We're going fishing for the pike, the zander, the chub, the perch on the stretch of the river, no, the canal on Rowington. So a little bit different. You coming? No. Right, laters. Let's go and pick up Ash, and then we'll take it from there. Who we got here then? There's Max in the window. He's not coming out to play. How are ya? You coming out to play?
A little bit chilly.
Oh, we're doing a bit of urban fishing. Or was it raw? With horses just trotting by us. Right, we've got a big trek all the way down there to Lapworth. What are you doing here, kid? What? Oh, wah, 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 wah. Do you want me to deal with it? Do you want me to deal with it? I'll give you techers. Oh. Amazing technique. Nice bit of the canal, eh? Still nothing. Oh, we've got something to report. What are you saying, Ash? What just happened?
Just had a fish on and it got off.
Ah, did it come off now? How big was it?
Probably half a pound.
But it means there's a pike in here.
The flash it was probably about that big.
About that big? Big? Are you sure you weren't the lure?
I'm sure it weren't enough.
No, I seen his line go and everything.
It was like, even the rod went.
Yeah. So, we'll just keep going. Our look's changing now.
Yeah, want to fish. We found fish.
Found fish, let's do it.
Good start.
How are you? Well, we've done some miles already. Ash is all the way back down there on the other lock. Past that bridge. I'm walking back up here near the car. Tiring. But a couple of takes. Nothing landed. But hey, We've got an hour left, so let's see what happens. Come on, just one fish, please.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We don't fall down sometimes.
How are you, Ash? We're losing a bit of light now. What do you reckon? Knock it on the head?
I can't see anything.
You can't see anything?
Nah.
I can see you.
I'm amazed you can see with them shades on.
Yeah, shades of rhythm. Oh well, we tried.
Nearly.
Had a couple of takes.
Couple of takes, couple of knocks, but no see.
Nothing landed. Do it again? So, see you later, catch you later.